Hey Danielle, I was just watching your video on your discussion board 7, and this is the first time that I've really thought about K through 12. We recently had some communication with our K through 12 online that is in our area, in the Columbus County area, and I talked to one of the board members because they were looking for a place for their students to come and test, and so um, we reached out to them to allow them to maybe use Southeastern's testing center to bring the students there to do their testing. So, I think that's one thing that I realized after talking to them that they're trying to make their classes the same as face to face. So instead of the students testing online, they're finding places from the way she talked that they bring the children in and the faculty are there with them and they test. So, I as you explained, bad part about it is, students in kindergarten through, K through 12 would go maybe on field trips and do other things that would be more interacting. But I really believe that with the videoing options and with the resources now that we have online, if that faculty is has a great way to be creative, even K through 12, I feel like that they could be creative enough because, I read one post, I think, or when I was researching it online, it talked about how, the parents would have to be involved with the online. Well, I'm sure when the early stages would have a lot of parent connections to get the students to understand how to work online. But I'm amazed how the children know how to work a computer better than I do. I have a grandbaby that just turned 5 and she knows the ups and downs on how to get online, get on YouTube. So, I think our generation can handle a little more of the online classes, K through 12. I know the older ones can, than they used to be. So, hey, you gave some good examples and I enjoyed your post.